CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, nice and breezy today. Temperatures a little bit cooler than yesterday, although it felt pretty nice out there. It's going to be chillier tomorrow, temperature-wise, by South Florida standards. Here's our Keys camera this evening. So-so sunset, a few lower clouds there blocking the sun dropping into the Gulf. 67 currently in Miami, 67 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 66 in Key West. Sticking a scale is a 0. It's a very dry air out there at 51% humidity, and the northwest wind, west-northwest at 7. It's going to stay dry in the coming days. Temperatures are going to go down tonight and then not come up a whole lot tomorrow. It's only going to be in the upper 60s for highs. High temperatures today made it into the low to mid 70s, so a little bit below, but not much below the normal of 76. Current readings are in the mid 60s and dropping pretty quickly. In fact, we're running between 5 and 8 degrees cooler than this time last night. So we're set to be probably about 5 to 10 degrees cooler than we saw this morning. We saw 50s and 60s this morning. We'll see 40s and 50s tomorrow morning. There's the breeze out of the west-northwest, anywhere from about 7 to 10 miles an hour, 12 miles an hour in Pompano Beach. And as we go through the night tonight, temperatures are going to continue to drop. The winds will come down as well. We saw wind gusts today from 24 to about 32 miles an hour. Not as windy tomorrow also. In terms of the satellite loop through the day today, the clouds zipping along, passing clouds and sun from time to time. And the bigger picture showing that drying is working its way down into South Florida, so mostly clear overnight. But another patch of clouds out in the central Gulf is going to come our way tomorrow, so we'll see not blue skies, but at least a mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow. Here we are for tonight, 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s as you go from north to south. Tomorrow, only upper 60s. Going to be hard to get to 70 tomorrow, as tomorrow is going to be our coolest day following the passage of the cold front. Tomorrow night, not as cool, lows in the 50s. And then a weak cold front comes in, most likely Monday night, and that's going to keep us from warming up. It's really not going to cool us off much. But for Tuesday, just not warming up. But Monday, looking nice, temperatures in the 70s for highs. Across the country, big storm system spreading nasty winter weather from the Midwest into the Northeast. This is part of the storm system that helped push the cold front through our area, and temperatures behind the front. Much of the country, especially the eastern half, is on the cool side, 30s and 40s. For us tonight, a cold night, a chilly breeze, lows in the mid-40s to the low 50s. Tomorrow, look for a mix of sun and clouds. We'll call it cool because that's South Florida. 60s is cool in South Florida. A chilly start to the day and a high temperature in the upper 60s. Northwest winds at 10 to 15 on the water, up to 6-foot seas in the Gulf Stream. The winds will come down a little bit later in the day. And 60s tomorrow, 70s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, maybe 80s by the weekend. Carly?